In this video, I will show you how to install ASUS Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for helpful resources, bonus tips, and tools we share with our viewers. So here's a simple way to install ASUS Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. First, go ahead and identify your model. So go ahead and open your settings and then head over into the system section and head over into the about section under the system section. So go ahead and find your laptop's model name. You can do this both on PC and laptop. Now once you have identified the model of your ASUS laptop, you'll need to go ahead and close this and then open your browser. So on your browser, you'll need to visit the ASUS support page such as this. So in here, go ahead and read this before you continue, and then click on the link that you can find into this section such as this link. So click on this and this will redirect you here. So in here you need to enter your model name, and then you can go ahead and select a product that you want to install into your ASUS device. So you can just enter your model name into the section, and then all of the drivers available for you to install on your device would pop on the right side of your screen. So simply look for the ASUS Wi-Fi drivers, and then you'll be able to install that successfully into your ASUS device. And that's basically how you can install ASUS Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.